Hi everyone, welcome day 20's 100 Day American Accent Talent. Okay, so today we continue study of vowel sound or of IPA. Okay, or cool cures, tour, poor, sure, recue. Okay, now let's start. Okay, you want to sound more American? And let's practice the vowel and sound together, okay? Cool, poor, tour, sure, recue, endure, obscure, and lose, ensure. Metal entrepreneur or start with a vowel sound oo, like a book, book, relief and relax a ton. Okay, and slide into R. Okay, chunk the punch back and cue slightly. The sound is one of most similar, not broken. Ooh, 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 cool, poor, tour, sure, recule, endure. Okay, okay. Now I will show you over there, and you listen. Okay, and listen again. So this about was how my pronunciation not good, so I don't know. I should care. So let's listen.
Here pure sure tour mature secure endure obscure ensure allure.
Oh my god, it's so fast. It's so fast. Again.
Here pure sure tour
Made to accuse.
Here pure sure
Sure, Q pure sure. Sure.
Here pure sure tour mature secure endure obscure ensure allure.
Ensures and lures. Okay. Practice speaking this styles more. Okay. Okay, so let's practice some full sentence. As usual, thus poor water, they took a tour of the city. They need the time to mature. Can silence cures the desert. Okay, the flight must be sure. Okay, again, about that I'm not good, so let's listen.
Are you sure that's pure water? They took a tour of the city. She needs time to mature. Can science cure the disease? This file must be secure.
Okay, one more time. Listen one more time.
Are you sure that's pure water? They took a tour of the city. She needs time to mature. Can science cure the disease?